Hey guys, the other day I came across the coolest braid that I've seen in a very long time on Instagram, and I just knew right away that I had to recreate it and share it with you guys. So I've broken down the steps to make this braid super simple so that you can recreate it. Also, if you know what this braid is called or who originally shared it, please comment and let me know. That way I can give them full credit in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. So throw your hair into any type of ponytail you'd like and then divide it horizontally into two equal sections. So you have a top section and a bottom section. Now the first row of this braid is the trickiest, but once you've got that top row complete, the rest of the braid is quite simple. So first, section off a 1-inch piece from the left of your top section, and working with larger pieces will make this easier. Next, section off a 1-inch piece from the left of the bottom section. Once it's completely separated, bring that bottom piece up and let go of that top piece so it hangs just to the left of the bottom section. All right, so now we've brought our bottom piece up, place it into your left hand, and then you just want to section off another 1-inch piece from the left side of the top section. And then again, section off a 1-inch piece from the bottom section and place the top section out of the way to the left. Once the bottom piece is completely separated, bring it up and join it into your left hand with the previous pieces. So that's the pattern, and you can see the braid slowly coming together. So I'll show you the pattern again. You want to section off a 1-inch piece from the top section and then grab a 1-inch piece from the bottom section, and it doesn't need to be perfect. Now place the top section out of the way to the left and completely separate that bottom piece and then join it into your left hand with the previous pieces. Last top one. So bring the top piece slightly to the left and gather one last 1-inch piece from the bottom section. And then let go of that top piece and bring the bottom piece up, joining it into your hand with the rest of the pieces. All right, so now we're left with all of our bottom pieces on top and all of our top pieces on bottom. So just clip that top section out of the way for now. And then with a small hair elastic, just tightly secure the rest of the hair into a ponytail as close to the braid as you can get. So now we've done the tough part. From here on out, it's much simpler since the hair is already sectioned off. So grab that first left piece, place it out of the way to the left, and then grab a 1-inch piece of hair from your ponytail and bring it up into your left hand. Now grab the next top piece, placing it out of the way to the left, and gather another 1-inch piece of hair from your ponytail and bring it up into your left hand. And continue repeating that pattern across the remainder of your section. So place that top section out of the way, grabbing a 1-inch piece from the bottom, bringing it up and joining it into your left hand. And don't forget to do the very last piece. So again, we have a top section and a bottom section. So go ahead, clip that top section out of the way and just secure the bottom section together. Now continue repeating this pattern as far down your ponytail as you like. And if you've completed a couple sections and it's not looking entirely right, I felt this same way the first time I did this braid, but this is the type of braid that really comes together at the end. Once you get the hang of the pattern and the braid, you could recreate it with really small sections for even more detail, or you can maybe start with a half-up ponytail. I don't know, just have some fun with it. And once you've finally reached the bottom, don't forget to secure it with a hair elastic. Okay, now it's time to transform the braid. I love this part. So hold your braid with one hand and just begin pinching and pulling on small sections of the hair at each piece of the braid, working your way down the ponytail. Now make sure you're pulling each section to really fan it out, and you're left with this beautiful and unique braided ponytail. So there you have it, you guys. My arms are so tired, but how cool is this braid? I love it. I'd also love to know what you guys thought, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll link some similar cool and unique braided hairstyles that I've created in the description down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and a big thank you to all of you who have turned on your notifications. I love chatting with you guys after my videos go live. It's so much fun. Oh, and one last thing, if you guys are having troubles with this hairstyle, please keep on practicing, and if you have any questions, please comment them down below and I will get back to you. But thank you again, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.